Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken about his expectations from his upcoming visit to China. He has said the China visit is a bid to deepen friendship between the two countries and has expressed hope that it will set a new milestone in bilateral relations. He gave an interview to the Chinese television network CCTV. Let's quickly listen in.
And so on this occasion, in your visit to China, what kind of...
Ni hao. मैं बहुत दिनों से इंतजार कर रहा था चीन यात्रा के लिए। सरकार बनने के बाद राष्ट्रपति जी ने मुझे बहुत गर्मजोशी से फोन पर बात की, अभिनंदन किए। बाद में गत 1 वर्ष में हम 3 बार मिले। राष्ट्रपति जी के साथ बहुत विस्तार से बातें हुई। मुझे विश्वास है कि चीन की मेरी ये यात्रा भारत और चीन के संबंधों को ही आगे बढ़ाएगी ऐसा नहीं, लेकिन पूरे एशिया को और दुनिया के सभी डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज के लिए एक नया सीमा चिन्ह बनेगा, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है। मतलब कि युद्ध से मुक्ति की सदी है। चीन और भारत मिलकर के शांति और स्थिरता का संदेश मजबूती के साथ दें, ये समय की मांग है।
So that's Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaking just ahead of his very crucial China visit. It's going to be very crucial. He of course says, and that's the sense that we are getting, that India is actually sending out a message that both China and India can both coexist in this particular region as two powerhouses. Let's quickly go across to Executive Editor Javed Ansari joining us at this moment. Javed, I don't know whether you were able to hear what Narendra Modi actually said at this moment, but he's trying to send out a positive message just ahead of that very crucial China visit.
Yes, Sanket, and it is customary for Prime Ministers before they depart to speak to the host nation's media. Prime Minister Narendra Modi using this occasion to underscore and create a positive environment for his visit, to underscore the fact that both India and China need to resolve issues and take that giant leap forward and lead the two countries into a better future. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants to give a very positive signal ahead of his visit to China.
That's right, Javed. Many thanks for joining us at this moment. We'll stay on top of this particular story, get you that reaction once again.